Ikaw ang batang voice. Batang
nagsimulang magbago ang lahat. Kailan nung ako'y di na at kung masaya ka sa piling niya, hindi ko napipil na merong hanggan. Ako yung nauna, pero siya
nagbibigay saya sa buhay ko. Ikaw lang ang mamahalin, ikaw lang ang nasa puso ko, ikaw lang ang iibigin ko habang ako'y
Look at this stuff, isn't it neat? Wouldn't you think my collection complete? Wouldn't you? Legs are required for jumping, dancing, strolling alone. Don't know what's the word again? Straight. I love to explore, sure above.
From guilty eyes and little white eyes, yeah, played them, but I always knew that you talked to her. Loved you at yours, but that didn't matter. It took you 2 weeks to go off and date her. You betrayed me, and I know that you'll never feel sorry for the way I hurt. Yeah, you talked to her.
Me, I will never pass for a perfect bride or a perfect time will come. I can free myself from their expectations. Somehow I cannot hide who I am.
Ngunit naman ang maling awiting nga awitin. Nais kong malaman mo, ika'y bahagi na sisisi dahil iyong narinig mula sa labi ko. Salamat, lalaban. Ang awiting ito'y para sa'yo. At kung
Di ko inakalang darating din sa akin. Sa tagpuan ni Bathala, may kinang sa mata na di maintindihan. Tumigil ang mundo nung ako'y ituro mo. I was down, my dreams were wearing thin. When you're lost, where do you begin? Something finally went right. Now there's 2 lots of lonely people in the world tonight. There's lonely people in the world, and it's gonna be fine. Out of all the people in the world, I just can't believe. In the air, I hear myself breathing, hanging by a thread. My heart is barely beating. Just shut my eyes, forget that you were mine. How do you go from making one your home and then just letting me go, rushing back to you?
you shut my eyes, forget that you were mine. I told you, ikaw ang tanging naman. Ako ang iyong pagkarangan, dadalangin ako makakamtan, ngunit ako ikaw habang nahi.
Ang tinig sa mundo, tinig ng gintong pangarap mo, iyong liparin